On Maastricht University's vacancy board, I came across an opportunity at Medtronic. After applying, I became part of their supply planning team in their cardiovascular division in Herle. While writing my thesis, I discovered how safety stocks can be managed with flexible service level agreements. And as the Thesis Internship program struck the right balance between theory and practice, I chose to pursue another tip at Medtronic during my second master's degree. Here my research focused on e-procurement implementation within hospitals in emerging markets. If you would also like to turn your theoretical knowledge into concrete business solutions and provide recommendations based on real-life data, the Thesis Internship program is right for you. The experience not only gained me valuable hands-on training and colleagues who became friends, but it also resulted in a job offer at Medtronic. My name is Eva Hormel. I graduated from Maastricht University's SBE in both the supply chain management and the emerging markets master.